Hello, grade 8 students. Welcome to Quarter 1 Mathematics Class Module 1 with the Lesson 1 entitled Factoring with Common Monomial Factors, Week 1. Let us recall about factors. Factors is a number or algebraic expression that divides another number or expressions evenly that is with no remainder. Opposite of factors is the so-called product. Okay, so let's say the given is 4. 4 is the product. So product, then we need to find the factors. Okay, so let's say we have 4 times 1 is equal to 4. Another, we also have 2 times 2 is also equal to 4. Therefore, the factors of 4 are 4, 1, and 2. Okay, how about 10? In 10, of course, we begin with 10 times 1 is equal to 10. We also have 5 times 2 is also equal to 10. Therefore, the factors of 10 is 10, 1, 5, and 2. Get it? Another, how about 20? Okay, the product is 20, and we need to find the factors. We have 4 times 5, 10 times 2. It also have 20 times 1. Okay, so the factors of 20 is 4, 5, 10, 2, 20, and 1. Okay, so that is the factors and the product. And this is our lesson for today. Medyo mabigat lang, pero madali lang yan. Ganyan lang yon. Okay. So let us consider the rectangle below with the length as x plus 3 and the width is equals to 2. First question, what is the area of the rectangle? So the formula in getting the area of the rectangle is area of rectangle equals length times width. Okay? So we will now substitute the given length is x plus 3 multiply. I will just use the parenthesis and width is 2. Then we will now multiply the given. So x plus 3 multiplied by 2. Of course, we will use the distributive property. Distributive. Okay, so 2 multiplied by x and 2 multiplied by 3. So let us solve. 2 times x is 2x. Then 3 times 2 is 6. Therefore, the area of this rectangle is 2x plus 6. Okay? So, is the area of the rectangle a polynomial? Okay. So, review tayo ng polynomial. What do you mean by polynomial? One of the example of polynomial is 5x. Also, 6x plus 5 is also a polynomial. 8x plus 3y, say minus 1, is also a polynomial. And polynomial has 3 kinds. We also have monomial. I think you're already familiar with monomial, binomial, and also have trinomial. What is the difference of the 3? Okay. So, mono. Mono means 1. So, it only has 1 term. Bi means 2. So, it has 2 terms. So, 1 and 2. trinomial means 3. So we have 3 terms. Let's count 1, 2, 3. So we have here. Now, the question is, let's go back to the question again. Is the area of the rectangle a polynomial? Is this an example of polynomial? Of course, the answer is. So now, working backward. So we have here a given of area, and we need to find the length and the width. Okay, so from the given area, we have here 2x plus 6. When we factor out 2x, it is 2 times x plus and 6. The factors of 6 is 3 and 2. Okay, so we have 3 and 2. Okay, so we have a commonality. So common dito sa given na to is the 2. So we will write here as 2. As 1. 2. Then, just write x plus 3. Okay? So the factored form of this 2x plus 6 is 2 multiplied by x 3. Okay, so the length here is one of the maybe x plus 3 and the width is 2. As I have mentioned earlier, I used the word common. Okay, so we have here greatest common monomial factor, GCMF. It is common to all terms in a given expression. Pag expressions kasi, meron siyang variables and the numbers or the numerical coefficient. So, um, usually you are familiar with GCF or the greatest common factor. Let's say, the given is, let's say, 5 and 15. Okay? So we need to find out the GCF of 5 and 15. Of course, we need to find the factors first. So 5 times 1, the factor of 5, and 15, we have 5 times 3. Wherein they have the commonality of 5. Therefore, the GCF of 5 and 15 is 5. Another, let's say we have, let's say 18 and 27. So 18 we have 6 times 3, 9 times 2, 18 times 1. While 27 has 27 times 1, 9 times 3. Okay? So, what is the common numbers here? We have 3 and 3. Okay? 3. Ano pa? We also have the same 9. Okay. Therefore, this 18 and 27 has two numbers, two common numbers. But we need to find the greatest, pinakamataas, which is greatest here, 3 or 9. Of course, 9. Therefore, the answer here is, that is the concept of GCF. Okay? Kaya lang, dito ngayon, meron na siyang expression na siya. Meron na siyang variable. Yun lang naman. Madali lang yan. Kaya niyo yun. Okay. Now, example number 1. Okay. So, write 6x plus 3x squared in factored form. Step 1. Determine the number of terms. Okay? Siyempre, yung terms dyan is 6x and ano pa? Ito. 3x squared. That is the terms. Step 2. Determine the GCF of the numerical and the literal coefficient. Yan. So, we need to have this table consists of coefficient, factors, common factors, and GCF. So, coefficient. So, we have 6. Tsaka, numerical coefficient muna tayo. 6 tsaka 3. Then, x and tsaka x squared. Factors. What are the factors of 6? We have 6 times 1. 6, 1, 3, tsaka 2. Factors of 3, we only have 3 and 1. What is the common factors here? Of course, we have here, 1, tsaka 3. So, we have 1 and 3. GCF, greatest. Of course, which is larger, 1 or 3? Of course, 3. And here, x times 1 and x times x. Common factors, of course, x. GCF, isa lang siya. Just write x. Then, step 3 na tayo. Find the product of GCF. So, we need to multiply here. 3 times x is equal to 3x. Therefore, the GCF is 3x. Step 4. Find the other factor. Okay. Find the factor, another factor by dividing. So, i-divide natin. Ngayon, kunin natin si given. Ang given natin kanina is 6x plus 3x squared. Saan yun? Yun, okay natin. Then, i-divide natin to dito sa nakuha natin GCF. Divided by 3x divided by 3x. That is equal to, divide natin to, 6x divided 3x. Of course, 6 divided by 3 is 2. Then, cancel x. Plus, cancel natin yung magkaparehas. Ito, maka-cancel natin yung isa nito. Kasi si x squared ay x times x. So, cancel natin to. Isa na lang. Okay? So, ngayon, 2 plus x na lang yung natira sa kanya. Therefore, our answer here sa step 5, write the complete factors. So, nakuha natin to. Ngayon, ito si step 4 na nasagot at saka si step 3, pagsasamahin lang natin. So, 3x, then 2 plus x. So, ito na yung sagot. O, diba? Madali lang yan. Kayang-kaya yan. Kayang-kaya ba? Kaya yan. Next. Have another example here. So, 28. Malakihan na to. Pero kayang-kaya yan. 28x squared, z squared. Ay, cube pala yun. Cube. So, 28x cubed, z squared, minus 14x squared, y cubed, plus 36y, z raised to 4. In fact, of course, step 1, determine natin yung number of terms. So, ano yung terms na yon? We have here 28 x cubed z squared, 14x squared y cubed, 36y z raised to 4. Yan. Then next, step 2 natin, determine the GCF of the numerical and the literal coefficient. Kunin muna natin yung letters. Yung numbers. 28, sunod 14, 36. Yan. Then, yung letters natin, mamaya na yan. Okay. Factors muna tayo. So, factors is 28. Of course, we have, ito yung kay 28. 28. Meron tayong 7 times 4, 1 times 28, 14 times 2, yun lang ata. Okay. So, right now, 7, 4, 1, 28, 14, tsaka 2. Si 14 naman, meron siyang 14 times 1, 7 times 2. So, 14, 1, 7, 1, 2. 36. times 6, 36 times 1, 18 times 2, 12 times 3. 6, 36, 1, 18, 2, 12, tsaka 3. Yan. We need to find the common factors. Common factors natin. Pareha silang may 7. Ay, hindi. Hindi siya 7. Hindi siya pwede kasi ito walang 7. 2. O yun, 2. Pare-pareha silang may 2. Yan. Tapos, 1. Pare-pareha. Therefore, the common factors here is 1 at 2. Siyempre, GCF niya 2. Yan. Next. In terms sa letters, meron tayong x cube, x cube, x squared, tapos y cube, x cube, z squared. Ito naman, x squared, y cube, y, z, 4. Factors nito, syempre, x saka z, x saka y saka z. Yan. So, may magkakaparehas. Ito, x, ay hindi, wala. Yan. So, therefore, wala siyang common factors, wala siyang GC. So, ang gagamitin lang natin is 2. So, find the product, of course, lagay lang natin ang 2. Kasi wala. Okay, next. Yan. So, step 4 na tayo. Step 4, find the factors or the other factor by dividing each term to polynomial. We will write here again. So, 28 x cubed c squared minus 14 x squared y cubed plus 36 y z raised to 4. Then we need to divide this to the GCF 2. 2 equal 28 divided 2 is 14 x cubed c squared minus 7 x squared y cubed plus 18 y z 4. Yan. So, ngayon, write the complete factors. Kagaya ng sabi ko, pagsasamahin itong step 3 tsaka itong step 4. So, we will just write 2, then 14 x cubed z squared minus 7 x squared y cubed plus 18 y z raised. Yan na ang ating sagot. Kaya yan, di ba? Okay. Yan. Ngayon, kayo na ang magsasagot. Okay, activity 1, break the grade. Okay. Polynomial, you need to find the GCF, GCMF, then the factored form. Yan. Okay, let's say ito. Ano ba ang GCMF nito? I think sige, bigyan kita ng clue. I think the GCMF here is only x. Factored form, x, then divide natin x, divide x squared is x plus. Paano nga pala i-check yung sagot na yan? You will just multiply the factored form. Pag multiply mo to at ganito ang nakuha mo, tama ang sagot. Paano? So, multiply natin by distributive property. X times x is x squared plus x times 2 is 2x. Kaparehas ba nito ito? Pag kaparehas, tama ang iyong sagot. Yan. Yan. Pakisagot din tong questions. Yan. Next. Activity 2. Wow. Wonderful title. You complete me. You need to complete this 1 to 5. Then answer the question. Okay? Next. Okay. So, recall natin yung process. I think we have 5 steps. What are those 5 steps? Yan. Step 1. Determine the number of terms. Step 2. Determine the GCF of the numerical and the literal coefficient. Step 3. We need to find the product of the GCF. 4. Yan. I-divide natin. 5. Complete na. Ito yung pinasasama natin sa step 3 plus yung sagot sa step. Next. Okay, resources ko. City of Balangan National High School, COBNHS. Math 8 activity sheets for quarter 1, week 1. Learners module for grade 3. Para sa inyo talaga yan, anak. Yan. Thanks! Do you have any question? Email me at teacherjudianolmo@gmail.com. Bye-bye!